Breaking news coming in. Big buzz in political circles over Prashant Kishore meeting opposition leaders. Sources reveal that he's lobbying for NCP chief Sharad Pawar as the next president. Kishore's meeting with Rahul and Priyanka yesterday is being seen as an icebreaker. He gave a detailed presentation to the Congress leadership. As per Kishore's calculation, electoral college numbers would be in favor of the opposition candidate if Naveen Patnaik will be on their side. That's the big breaking story, source base, that is coming in at the moment that we're tracking here on India Today. It is a buzz going on in the political circles. Maushami, Prashant Kishore gave a detailed presentation to the Gandhis yesterday. What's going on? Sources now revealing he's perhaps lobbying for the NCP chief Sharad Pawar as the next president.
See, clearly, if you remember, post the Bengal elections, Prashant Kishore had said that he's going to take retirement soon and he's not going to continue with what he's been doing. But, people have been waiting for that big announcement that Prashant Kishore has been indicating. And in between all that, we've seen multiple meetings of Prashant Kishore with Sharad Pawar, other opposition leaders like Jagan Reddy, Stalin. Prashant has also met them. He shares a very good rapport with many of the opposition leaders. And now this icebreaker of a meeting that did happen between Prashant Kishore and Rahul Gandhi, apparently Priyanka and Sonia Gandhi through video conferencing. Sonia was also present, is what we are told. But importantly, this was an icebreaker because post the UP elections last time, if you remember, Prashant and Rahul Gandhi have not been seen together. And Priyanka on that count, perhaps mediating and getting Rahul Gandhi, Prashant Kishore, that meeting with Rahul Gandhi, because Prashant also knows that if there has to be a united opposition before the 2024, the presidential elections could be a game changer. It could play a key in building up the momentum against the BJP juggernaut. And that's one reason we see that he has been at meetings and parleys are going on with opposition leaders to pitch Sharad Pawar in all probability as the presidential candidate of a united opposition.
Absolutely. That's a big source-based story that is coming in at the moment about pitching Sharad Pawar as the president of a united opposition ahead of the 2024 election. And the political circles are abuzz with source-based information that is trickling in on this particular front. But my question is a little different, Maushami, this time around. You do remember he had categorically mentioned that he wants to give up all of this. He doesn't want to be a political strategist anymore. Then what happened?
So perhaps Prashant Kishore may be mulling over how he can actually not pitch people, but perhaps play some elemental role in, in the polity of the country. And that's one reason that, this is a step up. It is not rallying for a particular party like TMC, but in fact, this is a step up in being the binding force or the glue that brings in the opposition. And Prashant Kishore on that count, has an excellent rapport with many of the leaders, including Arvind Kejriwal. He's worked for many parties. So there Prashant Kishore really stepping up the game, if you would see it like that, meeting various opposition leaders, getting a hearing from Sharad Pawar. We did hear Sharad Pawar, mention to one of the journalists that he doesn't really need a strategist to strategize for the NCP, being a seasoned politician he is. But somewhere Pawar would also feel that with the entry of Prashant Kishore, perhaps, all the parleys, the meetings, and perhaps breaking the ice with the Congress, getting the Congress on board to agree for Sharad Pawar could be a lot easier, considering Sharad Pawar's age and his health. So that's one reason we see that Prashant Kishore could play a key role as far as uniting the opposition, not only for the next year's elections, presidential elections, but also challenging the BJP, because once they could take that step forward, that could be a huge jolt as far as the morale of the BJP government at the center is concerned. And that's why Prashant is taking taking step by step after the Bengal elections. It is the presidential elections that he is very,
yes,
very
absolutely.
closely looking at.
And this is a big story that is coming in, and we'll get some more reactions on this as well. Remember, he had met Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi yesterday. It is being seen as an icebreaker, gave a detailed presentation to the Congress leadership too. Let's wait and watch to see what further developments we get on the story. For now, thanks much, Maushami, for getting us the latest details.